Well, today I'm going to be going over this razor right here. Not only is it rose gold, which is my favorite color in the world, and it's so aesthetically pleasing, but this does the job. You guys, I am a single mom. I do not have a lot of expendable money. And when you think about the razors between me and my daughter, we could spend so much money on those disposable razors. And so I got us each one of these, and I know this has already been saving us money. And so what I like about it, it's rechargeable. As you can see right here, it has rechargeable. It comes with this cord right here that you can plug right into a block, plug it in. But I can tell you, I have not charged this for probably about 3 weeks now, and it still has a 91% charge. So you'll notice right here, when I turn this on, not only does it take 3 seconds to turn on for safety reasons, especially if you have little ones, but it shows you the percentage of battery that's left, which here is 91%, and I have not charged it in over 3 weeks. Again, I like that it has the safety tool on here. So same thing if you want to turn it off, you hold it down for 3 seconds, and then it turns off. Really nice, again, if you have little ones around, you don't want it to turn on all the time. It comes with lots of different heads. To be honest, I have not used any of these other ones. I know this is more for like the permanent hair removal right here, and then this is for beard trimmer, so you can have the boyfriend or the husband also use this as well. And the head just attaches right there, so it could be their very own, but they're still using the base. You can use this in the shower, you can use this dry. I've used it both ways and it's amazing. Again, money saver. This saves a ton of money and so aesthetically pleasing, and it gets the job done. So bam, there you have it.